Welcome student. In this class we will discuss nomenclature of alkyl halide. Nomenclature. So for naming this alkyl halide or haloalkane there are two systems of nomenclature. First is common name. Common name. In this common name the monohalides or monohalogen derivative of alkane is named as alkyl halide pattern. Alkyl halide means we have to first name alkyl group followed by halides. Okay, so this is the pattern by which their name is given. Okay, alkyl halide, first alkyl group and then halides. For example, see CH3Br. In CH3Br, alkyl group is this. Its name is methyl, we know. And halogen atom is bromine. Okay, so it is named as bromide. Club this. You will get methyl bromide. Okay, so methyl bromide is a common name of this. Similarly, CH3 CH2I. CH3 CH2I. In this compound, this is the alkyl group. Its name is ethyl, and this is iodine, means iodide. So ethyl iodide is a common name. Similarly, then for example, see, write all these examples: CH3Br methyl bromide. If chlorine, then chloride. Iodide. Fluorine, fluoride. Like this. Okay. Then CH3 CH2I, that is ethyl iodide. Okay, then CH3 CH2 CH2Br. Here bromine atom attached to this alkyl group. The name of the alkyl group is N-propyl bromide. Okay, like this. Then CH3CH fluorine. Then fluorine atom attached to isopropyl group. So therefore isopropyl fluoride. Okay. Then next example, CH3 CH2 CH2Cl, that is N-butyl chloride. N-butyl. This is N-butyl group, butyl chloride. Okay. Then like this. Here bromine attached to tertiary butyl group, so name is third butyl bromide. Similarly, isobutyl bromide. Okay, like this, so on. Then CH3 CHBr, CH3 CH2. So it is isobutyl group. So isobutyl iodide, and so on. Okay, N-pentyl chloride, N-pentyl iodide, like this. N-pentyl. Okay, isopentyl, then neopentyl, CH3 CH2I. See, this is pentyl group, neopentyl iodide. This is neopentyl iodide. We know iso n, when we have to use prefix n, iso, neo, tert. Okay, we already discussed. So these are the some examples and their common name: methyl bromide, methyl chloride, methyl iodide, methyl fluoride, ethyl chloride, ethyl bromide, ethyl iodide, and so on. Okay, so these are the common name of alkyl halide. Now come to IUPAC name. IUPAC nomenclature or naming of alkyl halide. We know when Kill group is very much complicated, having large number of carbon atom. Then in that case it is not possible to give IUPAC common name for such alkyl halide. Then we have to use new system, that is IUPAC nomenclature of alkyl halide.